Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The ratio in which the point P 3 by 4, 5 by 12 divides the line segment joining the points A half, 1 and half and B 2, minus 5 is. Now let's try to visualize the situation here. This is a line where A half, 3 by 2 is one end and B 2, minus 5 is other end. And there is this one point given here, P 3 by 4, 5 by 12, and we need to find in which ratio this point is dividing the given line. We can simply use the ratio formula here. P divides line joined formed by joining A and B in M1 is to M2 ratio. Therefore, P 3 by 4, 5 by 12 is equal to M1 into 2 plus M2 into half by 2, M1 into minus 5 plus M2 into 3 by 2 whole divided by, this is not 2, this is M1 plus M2, and again this is M1 plus M2. Let's write it properly. So this is M2, this is like this. Now in order to find the ratio, what we need to do is we need to equate either x coordinate to x coordinate or y coordinate to y coordinate. So let's do it. Let's equate x coordinate to x coordinate. So this is 2m1 plus m2 by 2 divided by m1 plus m2. By cross multiplying, we get 3m1 plus 3m2 equal to 8m1 plus 2m2 by cross multiplying. So next we can simply separate the m1 and m2 two variables. So let's see, 3m1 minus 2m2 equal to 3m2 minus 2m2. So 3m2 minus 2m2 equal to 8m1 minus 3m1. Separating m1 and m2. So we get m2 equal to 5m1. So we get m1 by m2 equal to 1 by 5. Therefore, required ratio is 1:5. Let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option A, 1:5.